Hello and welcome. Today I am going to share with you a few books about color. Victoria Finlay, Color, A Natural History of the Palette. And you will see another amazing version of the same book. Keep in mind, I am not going to do the review of the contents of the book because I have not read this yet, but I would like to show you the production of the book in case you're interested to buy it and you want to see what it looks like, a hardcover or a paperback, because I myself always check YouTube for the book flip-thru, for the book reviews, and I actually want to see the hard copy of the book, how it looks, not only the cover of it, but how it looks inside. This book in paperback format is actually surprisingly not so bad. I prefer not to buy paperbacks because often the layout is really not pleasant to read, simply because they have very cheap paper to print on, and often it's too crowded. Like comparing this layout, so this is not so bad because you can see plenty of margins and the font is easy to read. And if you compare it with other books that you open it and the margins are so narrow that it's hard to have a good flow of reading, I do appreciate this layout. This book does not contain too many illustrations. When I was planning to buy this book, I was looking for any kind of introduction in the way of the production of the book. And I could not find any on YouTube. And that's why I'm doing this video. So in case you are like me, for whom it is important how the book is produced, you can see the layout. This is simply the information. Very few pages with illustrations. So there are literally only 4 sheets of paper inside. So 8 pages, nice glossy paper, and the rest is all text. Okay? So, but now, be prepared. I'm going to show the same book, only a fabulous version of it. Here it is. Ta-da! This is a Folio Society. Victoria Finlay, Color. The book is discontinued on Folio Society, so you cannot buy it on their website, unfortunately, anymore. But I was lucky to find that on the internet some private seller had this book completely new. So let's open it and compare. I enjoy books not only for their content, but for me it is very important how the book was produced. As a former graphic designer, I deeply appreciate a good design, layout, and beautiful Folio Society production. Look at this. Lovely. It's very heavy. Yeah. All right, so I will show you what this book looks like. The cover is nice. And if you ever seen my videos on books introduction, I usually work with my crystal to open up pages gently so the new spine can be loosened up and not so tight. I guess I can work a little bit with this book as well. But overall, I'm sure I can open it in the middle and it will stay open. You see, this is a quality book. And as soon as we open it, we can see that it has lots of images. Yes, and it is beautiful quality print. Excellent heavy paper, so it weighs quite a bit. And look at these margins, how much I love this. It's easy to read, and oh, it's going to be such a joy to read this book. And of course it has to be like lie on a table in front of you on a desk, because it's pretty substantial weight to hold it in your hands. All right, so would you like to see the flip-through? Let's do a little bit of flip-through. And just in case you consider to buy it, I cannot provide the link for this particular book. You just need to search for it and search for the Folio Society and see if anyone is selling it anywhere on eBay or used bookstores. So good luck with that. But I'm sure once you see it, you will fall in love with it. And after I do flip through this in this book, I will show you a couple of other books on color that would really complement the study of color. Oh, Carmine. Wow. Cuttlefish, the source of sepia ink. Egyptian mummies were ground up to make mumia, said to have been an excellent substance for shading. Just think about it. Whew. Oh well, it's all natural, right? This book can provide not just hours, days of marveling. These pictures, reading about colors. Let's move on and see more pictures. So you get the idea. If you're interested to buy this book, it is absolutely, totally worth it. Whatever you pay for it, it is expensive. But basically, whatever it costs, Folio Society is always making the best books. So far, I have not seen better books than made by Folio Society. I'm not paid to advertise their business, but I volunteer to do so. I have quite a few books from that company, and those just make me feel good to have them in my room, in my library. Indigo. So beautiful. All right, I'm so looking forward to spend more time with this book. I hope you enjoyed this. And now I'm going to show you what else you can add to your library in case you're interested to indulge in color study. So this would be a good complement. It's very abbreviated, concise information about origins of color, how they're used, and this would be a really good companion book and or quick reference book. And this one more, I will definitely do the flip through. It's called the Artist Palette, and this refers to different artists, classic painters and modern painters, and what palette they use, and all the details and analysis. So if you want to see more, you're welcome to subscribe to my channel. Check out my playlist about books. Thank you for watching.